It was the fall of 2016. We had a unit that was occasionally getting water in the basement. We had the company that the co-op was using initially when I started working here out to assess the issue. They really didn't give me much answer or provide any service. So when the issue persisted, I did a Google search and found Advanced Basement Systems. I was impressed with the website and the ranges of services that were available. So initially in that unit, we had 2 foundation cracks that were in behind drywall. So those were repaired using the FlexiSpan system. And then we've had a couple units that have had foundation cracks since. And then most recently we had 2 units that had foundation cracks that needed to be repaired. From the initial call to arrange for the quote, we had really friendly service. They set up the quote pretty quickly. Adam came out. He gave us information as to what needed to be done to repair the cracks and was able to give us a timely quote. We responded quite quickly to approve the quote, and office staff was great about letting me know when the appointment was booked. They reminded me about the appointment, and every time I called for different things, because there was a electrical panel that had to be removed, and so there was some follow-up there that I needed to talk to staff about, and everything was quick and easy. It was able to get a hold of staff and coordinate everything quite easily. So we had Trevor come out on site. He was on site as scheduled, which is always appreciated. I don't necessarily like waiting for contractors. So he came out on site. He came to the staff as we had requested here in the office. I met with him briefly that morning to direct him as to which units needed to be repaired, introduced him to the tenants in the units that he was going to be working in, and also giving him some direction as far as where he could park and things like that for access. I actually didn't see him until he was done the work, so he was able to complete all the work without needing to meet with myself, the property management staff, which again is always appreciated for time. And he completed the work in the units quite quickly, actually, within a reasonable time. He came back to the office to let me know what had been done. He let me know that he cut as little of the wall as he possibly could. He kept all of the materials that he could, that we could then use to rebuild the wall. I would definitely recommend Advanced Basement Systems to either local businesses or even residential. I thankfully haven't needed your services at my own home, but if I did, I would certainly call you. I've always had good service. We've had a number of units repaired in the 3 years that we've been working with the company. I've never had any issues where we've had to have you come back out to look at an issue as far as once a unit's been repaired. All of the seal jobs have kept, and we've always had great service from the contractors to the office staff, so I would definitely recommend Advanced Basement Systems.